did you find was the difference between the 5 minutes this time versus the 2 minutes the time before? Sarah.
That we got it even bigger.
What do you mean by even bigger?
Because when we started, it wasn't this big.
Yeah? Oh, why were you able to get it so much bigger?
Because 2 minutes is less than 5 minutes.
Oh, and so why did that matter?
So I had more time to build the structures because we got 2 minutes the other time, and then we got even more.
Okay, who else can tell me something much better?
Since there's more time is bigger because 2 is close to 1. And if it was close to 1, then that would mean that when you start the time, it'll just go right away to 1 minute.
And what did you notice that time?
That we only had 1 minute, but it won't be good if we only had 1 minute to build, or else it would just go right away up to a minute.
Okay. Aiden, what did you notice about the difference in time?
Because it was much smaller.
What was much smaller?
The time.
Oh, what was much smaller? The 2 minute time or the 5 minute time?
The 2.
Oh, so what did that mean about your building?
We got less time to build.
So what did that mean about the building of what you could choose to build? Were you able to build the same thing in the same amount in the 2 different times? What was different about your second building?
That we could finish it.
You could. So much more. In fact, a lot of people added to it. This time, and our final time, I'm going to give you 7 minutes. But there's a difference. Many of you the last time took what you did in 2 minutes and in 5 minutes, and you added to it. Before you get to start, you need to start fresh, which means you cannot add to what you've already made. So put your stuff that you've made away, or at least take it apart, and then we'll start our timer.